Welcome back, YouTubers. So today I have some packages, and this is the main package, but let me just see. This is my lithium charger. Oh yeah, so there'll be another video soon. Okay, the reason I'm doing this unboxing, I've done a lot of research on this, and apparently they come damaged. So obviously if I do an unboxing video, sorry about the bird, and any damages, I can say I've recorded it and get back to it. So this is, I will say this is the best fridge to have in camper van. The reason I'm saying that, I've had Dometic, Rego, had a lot of different fridges, and this one is obviously okay, upside down. Look there, it looks like it's been hit, like it's gone, what's it said, look, it's gone like, you know when you like bend plastic, it's on a bit white here, but it's only on the case part. I think that can change, I'm not sure. When you buy these, it says with battery or without battery. Oh my god, look how small that is. Let me just check it, make sure it's got no damages. Okay. To me, I think that's a fake. Or it might be a new upgrade. Look at that one there. It don't look like an alpha cooler. It doesn't have a sign, alpha cooler, but I'm not sure. The seal looks better because the alpha cooler, they said it leaks from the top, but we're going to switch that on and have a look. Okay, on the instructions it says alpha cooler, but it's got no alpha cooler on the actual device itself, and it's all in Chinese. Got a heavy duty DC fag lighter connector, pretty cool. And you got the plug, and they give you some ice bags. Pretty cool. So why am I saying this is one of the best fridge? The reason I'm saying it's one of the best fridge, one, of the size and how light it is, plus it's a freezer and a fridge. We're going to test this. Might be a part 2 video, because obviously I'm just going to test it for now, make sure everything's working, because I heard about the dial is not accurate, but as you can see, well, you can't see it because you haven't seen the other videos. This is a different dial. This is actually a different unit. The ones that I saw, this bit comes up really easy, and apparently the air escapes from each side. But yeah, it's quite cool. So let me plug this in. Okay, welcome back, guys. So I've got the glass of water inside. It's 11:44 now. Sorry, it's 11:44 now. The compressor's just kicked in, and obviously I've got a bit of explaining to do. Why did I say this is one of the best fridges? And I'm going to tell you why it's one of the best fridges. One, you pay for what you get, and I paid £220 for this, and this unit is worth every single penny, even more. If you research Alpha Cool, they vary in prices, but it's exactly the same unit. Obviously this one looks like it's been upgraded by the controller, and the lid looks like it's been upgraded. Obviously I can't really say it's been upgraded because I haven't had an old one, but from the reviews I've watched, everyone said that the air comes out from the side. This one's not doing that. It's got a proper seal and everything like that. And I've had it on for nearly 15 minutes now. Inside, it's got icicles. And in there is bloody cold. Trust me, it's cold. Let me see if I can get some icicles on that. There you go. I don't know if you can see it's melted already, but still getting up to temperature. I do like the lid, it does click in lovely. And it's well built. It's well built for £220. You know, I've had a Waco, I've had 2 different Domestics, I had a Rego fridge, and they're loud compared to this. This thing is like really quiet. I can sleep with this. Plus it acts as a cooler box. What else do you need? So I'll be definitely buying another one, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get the 15 litre one, because this is the 20 litre, and the only difference is it's the same size, but the lid's got another 5 litres in it. So from here to here is 5 more. So the bottom is 15 litres. So I might get a smaller one for my freezer, and this one is my fridge. And this is the 20 litre one. And it's doing a wonderful job. But what I'm going to do now, because obviously I'm inside the house, and I do want to test it in my van. I've just found out the issue while my van batteries are going flat. So when they, get fully health, I will install this in my van, and I will give you a proper review inside your van and see if it runs all night and stuff like that. But I know it will, with no issue at all. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Plus, as I said, you can use it as a cooler box. So through the day you switch it on, and then at night you switch it off, and this will stay nice and cool inside. So you don't have to leave it on at night. It still acts as a cooler box, and that's pretty cool. But yeah guys, I'll get back to you around 12, what should we say? Should we say half 12 or 12? Yeah, let's say half 12. I'm going to get in the bath now. Half 12, we're going to come down and see the results on that glass of water. So, okay guys, so I'm a bit late. It's 12:49. I'm doing 2 videos here guys. Obviously I'm doing my lithium wool as well. So, let's take these packages off. These packages, I think they're like, they've got like, what are they called in them? Like crystals in them. So I'm not sure if they're just like, they're like heat packs. So I'm not sure how to obviously get these to ice. But I don't know, I'll Google it. Okay, let's get inside. Oh my god, it's freezing in there. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. That's proper ice. Oh my god, this is cold, but it's not iced up. This is pretty cold. Look, can you see it's actually defrosted itself? Look at that. That water is cold. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I should have put a temperature thing in here guys, but this is freezing. I'm telling you now, this is like a freezer in the house. That is pretty cool. Oh, actually, sorry, my bad. Didn't realise it. It has iced up a bit. My bad. I didn't even realise. That is crazy. That is crazy. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in the bath now, because I've been doing all these videos. I'm going to have I'm going to jump in the bath, and then come back after the bath and see if that thing has been solid. So, 12:51. I get back, I'll show you the time again, and then you lot can make your own mind up. But this is a cool unit. It is bees and knees, guys. Bees and knees. I'll be back. Okay, so the time is now 1:20. Just say 1:20. 1:19. Here we go. Oh my god, it's like an air conditioning unit. Wow. That's how much water's in there. All the rest is ice. No, it's not. Ice on top. But it's freezing cold. Lovely jubbly. Bottom. So the surface was all iced up. As you can see in there. Let me get you a better light there. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy results. I don't know if you can hear the noise inside. So it's pretty well insulated. Wow, love it. Okay guys, that's that. Hobbies and Gadgets is now signing out. Peace.